Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. We're still continuing working on our Christmas garlands. This week will be the last week of Christmas garlands, and then, as I said in my previous video, I am moving on to New Year's and Valentine's Day balloon garlands. Today I will be using one of the kits that I ordered on Amazon. This is not review. Everything I bought with my own money, and then on top of this kit I bought a few other balloons to include into that Christmas colored kit. Everything I will be using for this balloon garland in this video I will link and list in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Without any further ado, let's go. Let's make this happen. Let's quickly go over everything that I have here. This is a kit that I purchased on Amazon. I chose this one specifically because of its colors. Look at the colors in this kit. Green, red, and gold. Perfect for Christmas. This kit includes 110 pieces and it cost me only $12.49. You can just purchase this kit, just this kit, and you will have a beautiful balloon garland for your holidays. Or you can add, like I will, do something extra into this balloon garland and you will have something totally unique. Moving on to this side, we have Santa with a reindeer. This balloon is pretty big, 48 inches, and lots of candy canes right here. On top of this, I will be using 20-pound fishing line, low temperature glue gun. All right, I am ready to blow my balloons. I am using my electric balloon from Dale Paper and Balloon Company. Love this thing. If you're going to purchase anything from Dale Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. I really want to start with my foiled balloons. I usually blow up my latex and then go into foiled, but this time I'm ready to see what this will look like. Okay, these are weights, and this is our big, it's huge Santa with the reindeer balloon. I am using my hand pump to blow all of my foiled and self-sealing balloons. If you will be using electric balloon pump, make sure it's not hot, because all self-sealing balloons have this insert in them, and this warm air can ruin that insert in your balloon, and basically you will ruin the balloon and balloon will start losing air. By the way, you can use your electric balloon pump to pump your balloons, self-sealing orbs balloons or any other foiled balloons, but make sure it's cool. So my balloon pump is cool now because I didn't use it for any other balloon. So I will try to blow this balloon as much as I can, and then as soon as my pump will start warming up, I'll stop and I'll use my hand pump. I was able to blow only head of my Santa Claus. Now I'm using my hand pump to continue. We need to attach everything else that this balloon needs, like the weights, and this balloon is ready to be used. I have two weights that came in with this balloon, so I need to figure out where they go. I have no idea, but now let's deal with our balloons. To keep my reindeer pretty tight to my Santa, there's a spot where you need to peel off this paper, and then I am placing my head against this sticky part. It's sticky to hold the head. Just glue it on and bam, it's here. Okay, so these weights are actually going on the feet of our Santa. So we're peeling off this film and placing this whole thing right here on the feet of our Santa to keep our Santa down. Just like that. Now let's attach our head. We need to flip our Santa and peel off these films over here to glue the head to the body. And voila! Oh my word, you guys, look at this cutie pie. Look at this balloon. I am loving the whole thing. It's so cute. I am so excited. The quality of this balloon is great. We'll see how it's going to perform. You can also fill this balloon with helium, and those weights supposed to hold this whole thing, and this balloon supposed to like walk or move. That's kind of cool. Super excited. I have no idea how many candy canes I want to use in this garland. I have something in mind. I don't know if I will be able to pull it off. We'll see. But I received bigger size candy canes and then smaller size candy canes. I will be using my hand pump to blow these candy canes. Alrighty guys, I am ready to blow all my latex balloons. As soon as I got excited about this Santa and reindeer, guess what? I heard the sound like tss. I'm like, no way, there's a hole. So this reindeer has a hole somewhere and I can't fix it because I can't find it. It's like somewhere really, really close, but it's just, I can't detect it. So I don't know. The Santa looks really good. It performs really good so far. This reindeer is deflating. As I said in the beginning of my video, I will be using my 20-pound fishing line, so I will be pairing my balloons. So basically I'm using balloons from this kit, but I'm not using the rest of the things that they included in this kit, like balloon tying tool and balloon strip, which is very interesting. I will be using my balloon tying tool because this kit includes 5-inch balloons, so I am tying my 5-inch balloons individually. And one more thing, you guys, I will be blowing some of green and lime green and red and gold. Some of them I will blow individually just to fill in spaces a little bit later and build our garland a little bit fuller in size. Our balloon garland, I am taking my 20-pound fishing line and tying my fishing line to my first pair. Taking my second pair, putting it right on top of my first pair with my 2 fingers, kind of pinching 2 pairs together. Taking my fishing line and wrapping my fishing line around newly placed balloon once, pulling on my fishing line, and at the same time I am squeezing 2 pairs together, again around newly placed balloon. Push and pull. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line because fishing line can cut your balloons and they will start deflating. If you will cut your balloons with fishing line, start twisting them, or that balloon that you just cut, like a light bulb until you close that hole and your balloon will be saved. That's all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. Let's keep on working. Secure your fishing line. Cut a long piece of fishing line. Hold it with one hand. With your other hand, take that tail and wrap around one of the balloons. Now here you created a loop. Take this tail and feed it through the loop. Pull on your tail. This way you're creating knots and your balloons won't go anywhere. Okay, now base is ready. I want to change the shape of this balloon garland by playing around with balloons. I want to do with my candy canes. As you can see, this balloon garland came out pretty short, even though I left a few pairs aside to make clusters and kind of fill in the balloon garland and build it up. Now, here's what I'm planning to do. I want to build a big candy cane cluster at the very bottom. Probably these candy canes, inflated candy canes, won't be enough, so I would have to inflate more. But I'm gonna start right here, taking my low temperature glue gun, putting it right on my balloon and attach it where I need and want it to be, for this balloon to be, and how I want it to look on this garland. With your foiled balloons, you need to kind of hold them for a little longer than latex balloons with glue, because I don't know why, they're just not grasping the glue right away. Okay, this is my take on this Christmas balloon garland with a little bit of a twist. Not my usual balloon garland construction. I love this section of my garland, these candy canes. Quality of these balloons, just perfect, A+, nothing popped, deflated, or defected. Love them. This portion came out almost as I was imagining. Almost. Good enough, close enough to what I was thinking. I like it. This portion over here, you guys, this Santa Claus is great quality. He's looking real good. Colors are great, but this reindeer keeps on deflating. No matter how many times I would try to fill this reindeer with air, it will lose air. It has a hole somewhere on its back and I can't figure out where. I know it's there, but I can't find it to fix it. I don't know. Will I purchase this duo over here? I don't think so. I will definitely repurchase these candy canes if I will neat candy canes. Now let's go back to our latex balloons. You guys, I'm not too thrilled about the quality of this kit. I lost 5 or 6 balloons, and I don't know. I like the whole color scheme. I really do like it. It's perfect for Christmas. And while I was constructing my balloon garland, balloons started to deflate on me. Some of the balloons popped, some of the balloons just deflated on the floor while they were laying and waiting their turn to be attached to balloon garland. I mean, in this case, in this balloon garland, you get what you pay for, honestly. I mean, $13, a little bit over than $13. I don't know. I'm not sure. No, I'm not sure. I am sure that I won't be repurchasing this kit again. I will share a few pictures at the end of this video, and I will link and list everything that I used for this garland in the description under this video.
Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on another Christmas balloon garland. I hope this video was inspiring and helpful. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to help you out to the best of my ability. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to share it with family and friends. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more videos. And I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!